Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both Google and your device so speech works reliably. Enable microphone and notification permissions now. Without them, Google cannot listen or respond. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Google account and set the preferred language and voice in Assistant settings. Also check network access and Bluetooth if you want smart speaker integration. These initial steps prevent common failures and let you move straight into configuring wake words and response behavior. Next, configure how Google actually talks back to you. Go into Assistant settings and enable Hey Google detection. Train the voice model so it recognizes your speech. Then adjust spoken responses and hands-free options so Google gives voice replies instead of only visual cards. Set output volume and prefer full spoken results for queries. Link external devices like smart speakers or your car, and run simple tests like asking for the time or whether to confirm cross-device. Replies work as expected. Finally, enable advanced features and know one reliable troubleshooting tip. Create routines and enable voice match so Google speaks personalized information and performs multi-step actions. This makes replies richer and context-aware. If speech fails, restart the device, clear the Google app cache, and retrain the voice model. That single reset often fixes misrecognition. Make sure mic hardware and privacy settings allow voice capture, and test over a stable network to avoid delayed or dropped spoken responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.